In 3D printing, there are many materials that can be printed, including nylon and PLA. So which of these two materials is better? Nylon is a synthetic polymer that is very durable and high-strength 3D printing material. A sinter product does not require special post-treatment, that is, it can have a high tensile strength. With high strength and stiffness and wear resistance, it can produce parts with high strength, stable structure, and high wear. Nylon printing models have smooth surface and excellent mechanical properties, and are often used to make gears, pallets, fixtures, and aerospace parts. PLA is a biodegradable, reusable, thermoplastic polymer that is environmentally friendly and does not contain harmful substances. It has a low melting point, low clarification temperature, and low thermal deformation properties, which is very suitable for beginners. With great smoothness and printing accuracy, the print model surface is smooth and rich in details. PLA can be made of food packaging containers, tableware, storage bags, etc., which can replace traditional plastic materials and reduce environmental pollution. PLA can make fast food lunch boxes, storage bags, etc., lower cost than nylon, easier to print. Nylon material wear resistant and high strength, can be made of automotive parts, such as engine cover, seat component parts. If you need any further information, please feel free to contact me.